know what that sound was? Does anybody know what that last sound was?
What was that?
Was that a car sound? Was that a car? I'm going to play it one more time. You guys tell me what the first thing you hear is. What is that? All aboard. What is this? What's this sound, Tyler? What is this? The train leaving the station. It's getting faster and faster. Right? Yeah, just like that. Absolutely. Perfect. That's the idea. Good listening.
Going fast.
That's a train sound, and an often good one. And I'm going to have you make a train sound here. Can you help me? Can you ding it? Let's see what this sounds like, you guys. And everyone will get a turn. Here. If you let go of this part, and go ahead and hit it, and then it'll sound a lot better. There you go. Good job. Here, can we have Sammy have a turn with the train bell? Here, go ahead and ring it.
God, everybody's so
Yes. That is really good. Good. That's a good sound out of it, Sammy. Harlan, why don't you let it dangle? It'll sound a lot better if you don't hold on to it. That's cool too. It's just a really quiet train, right? Oh, there you go. Do you see how good that sounds? Rhea, do you want to try? Yeah? You gotta put one of your eggs in here. Go ahead and
Connor's turn. Give it to Connor behind you.
Sammy?
we'll give you another turn in a second here. Here, let's have Connor's turn.
It's Tyler's turn.
Here, Connor, go ahead.
It's Tyler's turn.
Let's hear what a training sounds like.
Oh,
Whoa! Yay! That's pretty cool. Here, Rhea.
Back up.
Sammy, don't touch it.
Do you hear what that sounds like?
Come here, Mama Sammy.
Oh, it's a train bell. That's right. All right, Harlan, one more time. Go ahead and hit it. That's right. You're so good at that. That's train bell sounds. And you know what we're going to do now? We're going to play with another instrument, Ray's favorite instrument. And Dad knows exactly what that is. We got the shakers because we're going to learn how to buckle up and take a car ride.